5 accreditations you will find in ID firms and what they mean for homeowners. Welcome to Home Trust, where we bring you interior design tips, tricks, inspirations, and reviews. On your search to find the perfect ID firm to create your dream home, you'll come across these things called accreditations. What do they mean? The HDB license refers to ID firms or contractors who are registered under HDB's Registered Renovation Contractor Scheme. This basically tells you that they meet HDB's regulations. They have to abide by strict rules, they have a demerit point system, they can be fined and or even deregistered. Here are the prerequisites for them to get a HDB license. Number 2, BCA registered. This is very similar to the HDB license, except the BCA registry mainly serves the procurement of government departments, statutory bodies, and other public sector organizations. Here are the requirements for ID firms or contractors to be BCA certified. In short, BCA registration puts contractors and ID firms to test at an even higher standard. So homeowners like yourself can be even more assured of the quality of their work. Number 3, case trust. Homeowners usually have the concern that the quality of work delivered is not up to standard that was promised or guaranteed in the discussion phase. There can also be issues regarding transparency of costs involved during the works. To avoid such issues, you want to look for case trust accreditation. When the ID firm or contractor is case trust accredited, these are the guarantees and safeguards put in place for you, the homeowner. Number 4, BizSafe or BizSafe Star. BizSafe is a nationwide capability building program designed to help firms build up their workplace safety, health capability, and culture. This means that the firms adopt sound workplace, safety, and health measures. There are 5 levels of BizSafe accreditation that a company can attain, the highest level being BizSafe Star. This ensures you, the homeowner, a safe working environment in your home and a smooth work process. Number 5, the ISO standard. The International Standardization of Organization refers to a set of standards that ensure quality, safety, and efficiency of products, systems, and services. Here are some of the ISO accreditations your interior designer might have. This is the only accreditation that doesn't have a centralized database, but when you make a search for an ID firm on our website, all the accreditations they have will be placed right there in the search results before you even click on them, so you can filter through them very easily. We hope this short list clears up any misunderstandings or confusions you might have about these accreditations. For more interior design tips, tricks, inspirations, and reviews, do give us a follow and stay tuned for more.